Not something you see every day.
Definitely not. And Val was so excited about those rocks. I was in the lounge when she came up to tell us all about it. She was like, "You all have to come see this. Come on, come on."
Can't blame her, honestly.
Yeah, it was so exciting.
It was really cool cutting them open with her.
Oh my gosh, so much fun.
Yeah.
But the way she cuts them with all these waves, though, is insane to me.
Oh,
Master. Master at play.
I think it's interesting, like, she was talking about those rocks. I think it's so crazy how she can be like, yeah, so this is what happened here and there.
Yeah.
And then, like, identify the rocks. And then also, like, if there's, like, little splatters, like, she can be like, oh, there's things that bubbled up. Like, it's... Geology is crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah, I mean, she said something.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a jelly something on the right. It zoomed by quite a bit, but let's see if we can.
I
It
don't
was like a red
zooming
jelly.
by real quick
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
They're not in the main cameras in my down cam.
Oh,
there it is.
Oh, okay.
Straightforward.
Let's see if I can come up a little bit. There it is.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, video, go ahead and start zooming in.
Zooming in.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's what we're talking
That is
about.
such a cool jelly.
They collected a jelly earlier. I don't know if it's
Oh
the
my
same one. I
gosh.
know they collected
Wow.
a jelly.
Look at how dark he
I
looks.
love the way it moves.
That's wonderful. Absolutely
I can't wait to see it
wonderful.
zoomed. Oh.
That is really cool.
So you said that this one was maybe collected earlier?
Maybe. Yeah, I know they collected one.
Insane.
It's like a sea olive.
Wow.
I love the colors. I'm trying to figure out. It's like kind of reddish and greenish at the same time, I feel like.
Yeah, it's got that olive tone. Do you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, look
It's
at
beautiful.
that.
Oh, and there's even something behind it now, too.
Really pretty.
Yeah, I'm so glad we were able to get a better look.
Okay, you guys good?
Yeah.
That's
Okay, go
great.
ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
Thank you.
That was a practice in photo. Like,
You did great.
my God.
Yeah, that thing is zooming.
Okay. It's zooming.
The fact that we're even able to
I know,
stick
to
on
catch
it.
it again.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Camera pointing there,
Amazing.
Mike. Good job.
Oh, all right, I need to hurry up and catch back up to Atalanta. Yeah.
Ship position's being held.
Okay.
I really enjoyed that. So,
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So neat. A little bit closer. Like that? Is that better? Okay. I'll yeah. I don't know. I move it when I'm going to drink coffee or something, so I apologize. Yeah. Thank you, though. Yep. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Another shrimp.
I've seen a ton of shrimp tonight.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, I'm surprised we've just seen the one sea cucumber.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too.
Yeah, come on. I'm ready for more of those. Let's up the sea cucumber count.
I want more jellies.
Ooh.
I'm with you, Bella. That
I want
was
more.
Must have more.
More.
That was a cool one to see and just kind of float by at first.
Oh yeah.
I like it's like just the way it kind of like sucks in.
Yeah, that
Mhm.
movement is
Oh, I
so
loved it.
hypnotic. Like,
Was that shrimp like walking like a spider?
I missed that. I don't know.
Sorry, I'm going a little bit on the fast
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
Just
Go
trying
ahead. But that was
to get up to Atalanta.
odd.
Atalanta's way up there.
Yeah, I'm just now starting to come.
Starting to see ya.
Yep.
I don't have any steps in, so just let me know when you're feeling good.
Yeah, I'd say go ahead and start moving again.
Roger.
Yeah, coral right there.
Yeah. You want to take a look at this at all, or?
Do we want to look at this?
No, it's the
Should be
same
good, yep.
we've seen
Okay.
earlier, so we don't have to.
Something coming up on the other left.
Your real left or your
His
fake
right.
left?
Oh,
There's something
on the right.
here,
Okay.
and there's a coral on the right, which is
Yeah.
probably that candidella
Yeah.
with the brittle
Okay.
star.
Video, go ahead and zoom in.
Zooming.
Anemone?
Whoa.
Anemone.
No, I think that's a cup coral.
Ah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a few. I don't know if it's the same, but we got a few on the previous dive. All right, thank you.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
Do you want to take a look at the coral?
We got something floating up over
No,
here.
we're good.
Okay.
Looks like we got another fish floating up here.
That's an allosaur.
Yeah.
On left
There
or
we go.
right?
Right.
Right here.
There
Oh,
it
yes,
is.
there it is.
All right. Another one for the
Oh,
halazar.
yeah, that's a
Bella.
Salazar. Oh, can we? It's so cool. I love it. It's got a little shrimp friend,
Oh
too.
my gosh.
Yep.
So cool.
Is that number 10?
That was number 8.
Oh.
We're getting there.
Yep. So Bella, if you don't see any more, you've got
You
it.
win.
You win.
Let
I don't
this
know
little
what
guy
you
What
win.
is that thing
Yeah.
floating on the, like,
Oh, I
yeah.
see.
Got another
there you go.
jelly.
Oh, whoa,
What is
whoa,
this?
whoa. Yeah, yeah.
What is here?
Great eye.
Another jellyfish, probably.
Yeah.
It is so small.
Okay. Coming in. Okay, go ahead and zoom video.
Oh my
Zooming.
gosh, it's so little.
Oh,
Whoa.
Hold on there.
Oh, wait,
Sorry,
that's
going on a little for
different.
you.
that's new.
Oh, wow.
All right, come wide. Let me go ahead and
Yeah,
see
yeah.
if I can.
Definitely.
It's like it has antenna. Do you
Yeah,
see those
that-
little
I see
lines?
those,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
That's crazy.
Looks like its tentacles are stuck in the on the rock.
Oh no.
No.
Okay. Go ahead and zoom in video.
Zooming.
Whoa. Whoa. That
Maybe
is
it's like purposely
Is that a
stuck?
Medusa form?
It has very long tentacles.
Yeah.
Looks like they're stuck on the rock too.
It seems kind of purposeful, kind of grounding it in,
Yeah.
like an anchor.
I wonder if that's like a feeding strategy, like a web, like a spider's
come
web
on
or
for a
something.
second.
That's
Yeah.
what I was kind of
Let
thinking.
me see if I can
Let's,
get it in a little bit better position.
Okay.
Sorry again.
That's fine.
Take your
Take
time.
your time. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're driving a machine in the bottom of the ocean. I think you can take all the time that you want.
So the lasers that we're seeing on the screen that is used for measurement, so those lasers are 10 centimeters apart. So if we use that as our guide, this jelly that we're taking a look at here is what would you all say? Maybe like 3 or 4 centimeters?
Okay, go ahead and
Just
zoom in
about.
video.
Zooming in.
There we go. Ooh,
Wow.
Weird.
Wow.
look at that.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's not like it's hooked in the rock, but like it's meant to do it.
Looks anchored.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm not even sure that's actually like a jelly. Kind of look like some kind of maybe siphonophore.
I think I
Ish.
can go a little
Yeah,
further
based
in,
on the
if
tentacles?
that's okay,
Yeah.
Mike.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'm going to zoom just a little bit more if that's okay.
Would that be
Yeah.
something interesting to sample?
It might be. I'm just worried it's gonna get a completely crushed. We can try
Yeah.
to suction it.
Yeah, let's
That's-
go ahead and hold the ship here.
Slurp it.
What do we have in the jars right now?
We had 3 jars filled, but then we have 4 open.
We can try to suction it.
Is there-
Do you think that would be feasible?
Yeah, we can give it a try. Okay, go ahead. Video, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
Okay. Get a little bit closer to it.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
bizarre.
You can also step back if you need, if Ada pulls you off.
Yeah.
No, I think you're...
What do you think about this maybe being a ctenophore?
No, I don't think so. Doesn't look like ctenophore to me.
Mhm.
It's gonna do that.
It'd be really interesting, I think, if it was a siphonophore.
Yeah.
It kind of looked like a bit.
Yeah.
Siphonophore?
But it's bizarre.
Yep, ship's being held. Okay. Yep. And is jar 5 open as far as samples go?
I believe so. Jar 5
Okay.
is open.
Let me tilt down. Okay. Yep, suction's ready when you are. Okay. Okay. Suction coming on. Come on, shoot.
Zooming in.
There we
Yeah,
go.
we got it.
Wow.
We got it.
Okay, and
Come on.
turns.
I haven't seen
I
it
don't
in
see
jar
anything,
5
yeah.
Yep.
yet. But the sediment's moving.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Hmm.
I'm gonna turn down the turn down to 40% and try suction again.
Weird.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
probably
turned
just
it off.
float it.
I'm gonna rotate jars. Okay. And we'll go to 6. No, other way. Okay. All right.
Nice.
All right.
All right.
Moving onward. Still good or? Yeah. All right.
Wonderful.
I'll let her
Okay,
catch up.
video. Go ahead and come back to normal.
I believe that we are. Yeah, we
Okay.
are.
And let me see if I can catch up.
Yeah, take your time.
All right, so our viewers who are joining us online, we did just do a slurp of something that we're maybe thinking could be, we're not sure. Don't know exactly what it was, but like I said earlier, we are trying to get a better idea of the biologic aspect of this area surrounding Bikar and Bokak. Once we get these samples up to the ship, then we do process them in our wet lab. So we do have our rock samples that get processed and stored properly, and the same thing with the biologic samples.
That was weird. That was a cool one.
Yeah, very curious about that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's interesting how it was just kind of hanging out, tethered to the rock there.
I know.
Yeah, it looked like anchor to the
Yeah.
rock.
Yeah, which is something like,
Like
I don't know.
web.
Never kind of like a hole in the structure.
The anchored jelly. Or siphonophore, I don't know. Like,
Yeah, it was not very clear, right?
yeah.
And then I was looking, and like it doesn't look like other things I have seen.
Mm-hmm. Another fish. Just bizarre. Just bizarre.
Independently bizarre.
A lot of shrimp.
Sometimes we'd go shrimping back home just to get enough for like the family, and I'm really curious if the seafloor looked like this or like more abundant based on how many we got out in Prince William Sound.
Sorry, what was that? You went shrimping and you're wondering if the seafloor looked what?
Yeah, like similar to this, like how if they were like, if there was a lot more shrimp or, I don't know, because when you're shrimping, you know, we just have like the one pot for whatever we catch for just us, but like I'm curious if it's a really abundant place, because we could get like 50 shrimp in an overnight set of the pot. And now I'm just really curious what the seafloor looked like there.
Valid.
Yeah. Oh, there's something there.
Yeah, a little
Something right here.
urchin.
It's almost
Haven't
like,
seen this.
It looks more spongy.
yeah. Almost looks like a cone. Like a cylinder.
Zoom in video.
Assuming.
What in
Sponge.
Sponge.
the weird.
Are those like fuzzy bits part of the sponge, or is that another type of parasite, do you think?
Could be some, like some sponge have some hydroids on them, which are not necessarily parasitic. So that specific one, I'm not sure, but like there's a sponge called Walteria, and we think it's like just an association. And that one is definitely a glass sponge.
It's like a cocklebur.
Is it okay if I do a DVR reset?
Yes.
We can zoom out.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
All right.
I'm really excited about that jelly or siphonophore. That's
Can we adjust the iris a little bit there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I'd be curious to see what that is.
yeah.
What is that?
You like take a look at this one, or?
Sure, looks like some maybe dead thing, but we can have a look at it.
Okay.
Maybe
Fanny, you sound so excited about it.
Calm down.
Okay, video, go ahead.
Sorry,
and
it's
zoom in.
too much
Zoom in.
enthusiasm.
No, that's great.
There's a bunch of crinoids
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's like another palm
on a
tree.
sponge, which is not dead, so that's good.
Awesome.
It's crazy.
It's just covered in crinoids.
Deep sea palm tree over here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, zooming out.
All right, go
It's
ahead
like a
and come wide.
pom-pom.
Going wide.
Haven't heard that in so long.
Okay.
We don't really have cheer squads over here, so pom-poms is... It's been
Really?
a while since I've heard that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
The
haven't.
sonar
And then
looks
what is that?
so
Yeah.
interesting.
Let's
I like it. It's like sprinkles.
We got something
Sprinkles?
floating
What
in front of
though?
us here. Probably another fish.
Huge fauna.
I think we did. Maybe it swam away.
So Fanny, I'm not sure if you know much about siphonophores really, but we have some people who are wanting to know if that was a siphonophore.
It looked like a siphonophore to me.
Yeah, so some sort of siphonophore. And then do siphonophores have stinging cells?
Yes, yeah, they are not like jellyfish. They are colonial animals actually, but they do have stinging cells.
That was a colonial animal if it was a siphonophore? Wow.
Yeah.
I would have never guessed by just looking at it.
Siphonophores are super cool.
Yeah,
They're so cool.
so weird animals, but
Oh,
super
yeah.
cool.
That'd be another bucket list, would be like the giant ones,
Right.
like the huge ones in the midwater. Oh my gosh. Just amazing animals. Just amazing.
More crinoid on sponge.
Ships on the move.
It's still taking that same step.
Roger.
5 meters till.
Sounds good.
Bearing 360.
Roger.
Gosh, this is cool. Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's interesting to see it a bit more from like a higher perspective. At least it looks like it's higher to me, like we're floating a bit. Or is it just that the seascape changed a bit there?
The seascape changed a bit, so it actually dropped
Oh,
a little bit. And
well,
then
excuse me.
kind of like a little valley
Oh, okay.
and coming back.
It's kind of a weird perspective. To me, it was like looked like we were going up. Interesting.
So cool.
Just under 1,000 meters though.
Yeah, we are just, according to my data here, we are at 994 meters. So
That
we
looks correct in my end.
You're probably getting to the summit by now.
Mm-hmm. And that's where Val said all the cool stuff's gonna be, right?
That's what she's very excited about,
Yeah.
yes.
Well, if Val said it, then it must happen.
Rock o'clock.
Rock o'clock.
Yeah, waypoint 6 might be like the ridge of the summit,
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
which we're, you know,
Ship
coming up
still
on,
on the move.
still on the move,
All right.
bearing 360.
It's interesting because there is a lot of hard substrate, but we haven't really seen high densities in terms of like biology, right? We've seen some sponges and corals here and there, but not that much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the same stuff.
We've only taken one Niskin sample so far because there haven't really been any
No.
standout places to do it.
Mm-hmm. So many mysteries. Yeah, it's completely strange, right? You'd think you'd see something similar to last time.
I mean, it really
like,
depends on a lot of factors. I mean, the
That is
hard
true.
substrate is a requirement for a lot of these structure-forming taxa, sponges and corals, but food availability is also extremely important, and so it could be maybe the currents are not favorable, or there's just not enough food.
Is that another shrimp?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like a dead sponge on the other side of this rock here.
Yeah.
It's a very long one.
I will say the bathymetry is pretty interesting here. As far as like the little goalies and stuff that kind of come and go.
Yeah, we were seeing that on the map earlier. It's very interesting topography.
The summit's not like a flat top, it's very got a little,
Bumpy,
like,
yeah.
Groovy.
tiny, like, yeah, summits.
Groovy. That's a good word.
It made mapping very interesting.
What in the world is that?
Where?
Right below.
Are you
almost
talking
sand
about
or-
this here?
Yeah.
We can have a look at it.
It looks like it has eyes, yeah?
Does it?
I don't know. It looks weird. It looks like a lucifer shrimp, but bigger.
A lucifer shrimp?
They're like very small. I guess like you'd have to. They're like plankton almost, but they're like really long, little tiny shrimp that you can find when you do like plankton toes and stuff.
Video, go ahead and zoom in.
Swimming.
Not sure if I'm looking at just something. Am I crazy?
Good. Sponge?
I don't see anything.
Okay,
like a stock.
never mind.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Zooming out.
Gosh,
You're like seeing eyes.
I know.
The deep
But,
sea
like,
is a Rorschach
Hayden is
sometimes.
just looking for stuff.
No?
I'm trying to find something, right?
He's like, come on.
Come on.
That megalodon's around here somewhere.
It's gotta be, right? Goodness. I don't know, I think that jelly got me ramped up at the siphonophore. Either that or it's the coffee. I think the coffee's hitting a little bit too hard right now.
Maybe the coffee, I think.
It could be both.
Coffee and time of day.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's early.
What time is it?
5:37 a.m.
I see.
All right.
Perfect time of day.
Is it?
Are you a morning
Oh,
person,
yeah.
Mike?
No, I am not a morning person at all. I'm a huge morning person.
Okay.
Couldn't tell us.
Why lie?
That's pretty much the time I've been waking up every day because of the rooster in my neighborhood.
Oh, yeah.
5:30 is like wake up time.
I
There's
thought
one
you were going to
time-
say rooster in the ship, and I was like, Fanny, where are you?
Oh no, that would be my worst nightmare.
It's like,
That thing is
where's your
following
cabin?
me.
What's the
Rooster on the ship is
what's the
too
chirp
funny.
called? What is that chirp that we have on board?
The
The
sub-bottom.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
The beautiful sub-bottom.
it's usually what rocks me to sleep.
I don't mind it. I think it's... I like the
Primnoid,
sounds. I might be
maybe.
in the minority there.
Can we have a quick zoom on that
Yeah,
coral, please?
absolutely.
But yeah, I'd get you on the rooster bit. I've got a rooster, or I've had roosters that'll like climb trees. Like
Oh,
I've
man.
lived on like the 3rd floor. And I'm like, I'll never have to deal with them. And they would climb up the entire tree and then start crowing. And it's
They
like,
do it on purpose. Like
Oh,
I
I
swear, I
know.
would open my window and the
Okay.
rooster would be
Go
there
ahead,
and look at
zoom
me
in.
in the eyes and
Sitting.
start singing again.
This one's
Like
for
we're
you,
making eye
Fanny.
contact.
Just waiting
This
for you
one's
to
for
say
you.
something.
That's another primnoid. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
them roosters, man.
Oh man, it's even worse in the islands. It's all you hear in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Hawaii is like that.
They're such beautiful birds, though.
Oh, yeah.
From far away, sure.
From far away.
Very
Fanny likes
prehistoric.
roosters.
They're so pretty.
That's
say, Bella?
crazy.
I like to eat them though.
Oh my God.
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. I dig some chicken. I do.
Mm-hmm.
We've got this one spot on island, Willie's Hot Chicken. Oh my gosh.
That sounds fire.
It's so good.
But you can't go wrong with Jollibees, man. Jollibees hits the
Ooh.
spot.
Glad
Mike
there's a
knows what
thought.
I'm talking about.
What is Jollibees?
Jollibees is the spot. It's like a Filipino
What is that here?
restaurant.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's
Can we have
mainly
a
like
quick look at that,
Yeah,
please.
absolutely.
chicken and rice with some potato salad on the side. It's
Whoa.
fire.
I had that last time I was in Honolulu.
Ooh.
So good.
They have also like kind of like a pastry bar-ish, or I don't know how you would call it that. Like,
The pastry bar?
what do you call that?
I
Like
think they...
baked goods?
Maybe you're talking about Zippies.
Oh.
Could be.
Zippies.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah, the other one. It's been a long
Oh,
time.
looks like the what,
Okay, video, go ahead and
looks
zoom in.
similar to the
Zooming
one
in.
we
No,
had.
that, yeah, that thing is different.
Yeah, that thing's odd.
What is
Okay,
this?
1 second. Sorry.
Whoa,
No
whoa,
worries.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Coming back up.
Do you want me
Is
to go
that
wide?
a
Are you
type of
okay?
an enemy, you'd say? Or
Yeah.
that is insane.
Come wide for a second.
Yeah, absolutely.
Man, this is crazy. This is awesome.
Do you think that the anemone is what's caused that, I guess, disruption in the sediment there, maybe?
Good question. I
Yeah.
don't know if that's that anemone or something else. It would be
I-
hard to tell.
Yeah, I've been seeing those little, they look like little like fluffy parts of the sand.
Yeah, it's like some kind of
Okay, go ahead
bioturbation
and
going
Yeah.
on.
zoom in.
Zooming.
That is cool.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, because these are like, usually these anemones, you see like has like a tube here.
Right.
And so they can retract in the tube. But all that fluff, I think, is different.
Ship.
Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. We can zoom out.
Go ahead and come wide.
These are really cool,
Going
but
wide.
super hard to sample because they retract and they can go like pretty deep into the sediments. So it's pretty hard to get them within the ROV.
So they're like sea pens in that sense.
In a way, yes, because they just, I mean,
wide,
the part of
Lydia.
them is like
Real
under
wide.
the sediment and then they retract. And so when
Come
you,
wide
even
more.
when you try to suction them, you have
Do
to
you
go
want
like
the
pretty
vignette?
much dig into
I
the
just wanna
sediment to
pan
get
down.
them out, which can
Okay.
be pretty messy and
Yeah.
tricky to
Okay.
get.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
fix
for
the
sure.
vignette, if you don't mind.
Perfect.
Thank
Thank
you.
How far in the sediment do you think they
That was
go?
some pretty good teamwork there, Mike. I'm proud of that.
Yeah, I'm not sure, like a few centimeters, but
Gotcha.
We'd be getting a lot of that sediment more than the enemy, an enemy for sure.
Yeah, it'd be a accidental push core, maybe.
actually, like
Accidental
we've tried
push
to
core.
sample them with push cores before, and like sea pens as well, and
Yeah.
sometimes it works kind of better, but it's still you make a mess.
Is that another coral that you're interested in there?
Looks like a
To
sponge.
the right?
Where?
To the
Yeah.
right.
Right over here.
Real right or?
Oh yeah,
All
no, I
right.
see
It
it.
looks like a
Yeah,
sponge.
we've seen.
Yeah,
There,
okay,
there's
yeah.
a sponge. There's also a coral, but we've seen that.
Yeah.
Wait, no, there's just a sponge actually. The other one was an optical illusion, like the shrimp with the shining eyes.
Oh yeah, the shrimp with the eyes.
Moving on.
I swear it was a shrimp.
Okay. Try and catch back up to Atlanta.
My bad, y'all.
Go sprinting.
Fine. I feel like this,
Chasing the house horse.
Another little fish, yeah.
Oh.
I missed
Another
it.
tally.
Oh.
Now we're at 9.
Oh,
Are you
there
sure
it
about
is, bottom
yourself? You're
left.
not cheating here? Because you did put a 25. Did you bet on the 25?
I did bet on the 25.
Oh. Oh, okay, there it is.
Okay, does that look correct? I can erase it.
No, that looks correct.
Okay, okay.
Fine.
Oh, yeah,
Fine.
You guys want to look at it or?
I do.
Nah. Oh, okay.
I mean, that's just me, Fanny. You can do.
If you want to, we can have a look at it. Why not?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
What?
Video, go ahead and start zooming
Oh,
in
the hell is
slow.
that?
Can't.
Right.
Yeah, it'd be cool if we could see one. I guess like from the top down, like what Matt was saying earlier about the.
Okay,
There was
go
one
ahead
with
and
like a
zoom in.
transparent forehead or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that would be really cool to see that. Whoa. Oh, it's so cute.
Drifting.
Drifting away. That's
Okay.
a song, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and come on.
In my soul.
I'm such a
You're gonna
bad
have to catch back up to
Oh,
Atlanta.
there's a shrimp too. That's a big shrimp.
That is a big shrimp. Oh my gosh. I wonder if he has the big eyes. Gosh.
Looking at us from the darkness.
Yeah.
What are these guys doing here?
Definitely a valid question.
Gosh, I can't imagine what it's like being one of these creatures and just seeing this giant robot come
Right.
down and then like shine the power of the sun on you. Like,
Yeah, I also know
The
that we're pretty
power of
loud.
the sun.
Like the way that sound travels through water. And
Yeah.
just how much motoring and energy is happening on
Oh
Herc.
man, yeah.
Nice.
I'm sure they also
sponge.
don't appreciate our singing.
that is true.
Come on.
Put a JBL speaker on it and
JBL speak.
Maybe they like smooth jazz.
maybe
maybe.
that'd be interesting. Seeing
Do you
what
want to look at this
what
one?
music
or?
attracted the deep sea
No,
fish.
I'm good, thank you. I was looking at those rocks to see if there is a any potential targets for
There's a Val
Val.
rock.
More crinoids.
Palm tree.
We have somebody wondering if we ever look for surprises in the sand below the surface. Do we ever find biology under the sediment?
How about that thing here?
Occasionally we do something called push cores. I
Maybe you
don't,
can
Oh, whoa,
poke
I see
it.
what you're saying.
Let's go ahead and hold the ship.
I'm sure we
Add
do
another
find
sea
biology
cucumber?
in the push
Yeah.
cores here and there, but we can have Fanny talk about that a bit more after we take a closer look at whatever this might be.
I think there have been studies done that have shown a lot of life within the sediment, but I think she could probably elaborate more on that than I could.
Is that a sea cucumber that's like
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a sea cucumber.
sitting up straight?
Yeah, no, I don't know if that's a good. I don't think that's a great row. Maybe how about that one behind?
The rock?
Yeah,
You want to look at it?
to
Or you
poke
wanna-
it, see if that moves.
Yeah, 1 second.
And sorry, what was the question?
Oh, just about, do we ever look at biology under the sediment?
So we're not doing this on this expedition, but a lot of people do. You can take what we call push cores, which we have a few on the vehicle right now, and there is actually a lot of life usually in those sediments. We have animals that we call macrofauna, which are small animals, a lot of like worms, polychaetes, small copepods, so a lot of animals actually live in those sediments.
Do we know how far down in the sediment they live?
So most of the life will be in the first 2 centimeters. You can get animals down to 10 or so
Okay.
centimeters,
Oh, wow.
but like in the first 2 to 5, that's where most of the animals are going
Do
to
a
be.
poke of that rock.
Because they still
to the
need
left there.
oxygen, right? And so after a while, the oxygen
To the
doesn't
left of it
penetrate as
and up
well.
the
But that's why also
triangular-ish
all
one.
this bioturbation, you know, these animals that move in the sediment and steer those sediment, that also helps with like penetration of oxygen in deeper layers of sediment, which will
Gotcha.
allow life deeper into those sediments.
Makes sense.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
You think that sea cucumber is probably just eating sediment off of that rock,
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what they do.
Okay.
getting its breakfast?
So we can
Yeah.
try either
upper
poke
left.
that one and that one here. That one looks pretty like, I don't think that one is going to be loose.
Don't disturb the cuke.
The cucumber is like my rock.
It's so cute.
That one looks
Nom,
pretty
nom, nom, nom.
solid.
Yeah, how
Yeah.
about that one here? Yep. All right, doesn't seem. Nope.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Worth a shot.
Yeah.
So as I mentioned earlier, we are also focusing on geology in these expeditions. And so we are trying to find a rock that is nice and angular and has
Do you want to
a,
look at the sea cucumber? Or?
No, thank you.
has a ferromanganese crust. So pretty much all of the rocks we see here have that really thick coating of ferromanganese.
Okay, we can go ahead and get this ship moving again.
Roger.
And again, we do have our geologist on board who is able to cut those rocks open on the ship and then get some initial information about those rocks. So mainly focusing on aging. How old are the rocks here on this part of the seafloor? A few days ago, we did do some rock sampling, and Val was able to cut those open and get an estimate that those rocks were probably about 70 to 80 million years old.
Gesundheit.
Sorry about that. I was a second
How
late to the
dare
mute
you
button.
sneeze? You're fine.
Oh my gosh, I apologize.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
You ready to? Yeah. Here.
There's a question about dark oxygen. I don't know what that is, but does anybody know what dark oxygen is? And is there anything in this area that is dark oxygen?
Not in this area, but I think now it's been like almost a year ago, there was this paper that was published that was pretty controversial, but basically they found in the Clarion-Clipperton zone, which is an abyssal area where you have these polymetallic nodules, they realized that there was production of oxygen around the nodules. So they kind of discovered that by accident, and they repeated the experiment multiple times, and every single time found that there was production of oxygen. And so that could be like something really big if those nodules are actually somehow leading to the production of oxygen. We don't know if it's microbial, due to microbial activity, or if it's the nodule itself. Through hydrolysis, playing kind of the role of a battery. So there's still a lot that needs to be figured out. But it seems that this is a thing that is happening. And so I know that they are now conducting further experiments to try to figure out the source of that oxygen. And also how prevalent it is, because they found that in a specific area of the Clarion-Clipperton zone. But is it everywhere in the Clarion-Clipperton zone? And can also this polymetallic crust also produce oxygen? We have absolutely no idea.
Holy cannoli.
So pretty neat discovery.
That is, I had no clue that was a thing.
Me neither.
And it just sounds really cool too, dark oxygen.
Sounds like another rock band. Dark oxygen.
Wow,
Dark oxygen.
the deep sea is just so cool. There's just so much down here that like I could never conceive of.
If that were true, like this being a crucial role, right? How important would that be for organisms in that zone?
It's not clear because this specific abyssal area is already relatively well oxygenated. So we don't know how extensive that is, like how much oxygen that produces, but obviously that's significant if that is happening in other areas where oxygen is limiting. Or maybe that could have just like an important role on the microbes that live in these areas that may also play other functions. There's just so much that we don't know that it's hard now to tell what the consequences of that are.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember when that paper came out. Or I guess not paper came out, but hearing about that.
Yeah.
And that was baffling.
Well, it makes a lot of noise because that's also in one of the lease areas that are being considered for mineral extraction. So obviously that, yes.
So that's a big deal.
That is a big deal.
Good. I'm glad that's a big deal.
Okay, what is the rock situation around here?
One right in front of us looks pretty... So you got a couple of looser ones, and smaller, a little bit up above the green lasers.
You mean, so these are pretty small, I think, but I don't know in that area over here.
Yeah.
So are we in another valley right now? From my perspective, it looks like the slope is kind of going up again.
So we're kind of pretty much on the summit right now, but the summit is not fully flat.
Yeah.
I think it'll continue to like gradually, very gradually incline.
You want to try for one of these rocks?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out a good target. Because the ones ahead are either big or a bit round.
How about that one?
Yeah,
Hayden,
that
are
one
you-
is, that
Hayden?
one here is a bit big.
Hayden, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to turn off 9 and 10. Can you tell me the depth? Okay. Turning them off right now.
Yeah, no, there's nothing I really like here.
And I'm going to turn on 11 and 12.
You don't like that rock?
You mean that one?
Yeah.
That's pretty big, no?
Nah.
You think it's all right?
We've taken bigger.
So 11 is on. And now I'm turning 12.
Yeah, I mean, if you think they're
Let's see what we can do.
manageable. I think we already have a couple of rocks at least, or more in the starboard bio box. Am I correct?
I see 2 on our sheet, but
We have 1 rock in E, and we have 2 rocks in B. So
So nothing in the other larger compartment.
no, we
So
could
we
probably put it in F.
Yeah, okay.
F
So
is
let's
going to
aim-
be our best.
Let's aim
We
for that.
want to put it in F.
okay.
The other ones will damage other samples. So
Turn on your lights. Starboard side.
I have a good feeling about this rock.
changing your camera. Rock o'clock. Let's go.
It is nice and angular.
Yeah, looks heavy.
Aha.
Yeah, we're gonna drop it right here in the. You ready for the box to come out? Yeah, go ahead. Okay, coming out.
We have viewers wondering, why are we looking for angular rocks? Why not a smooth rock?
You want an E or F?
F. F.
So
From what I understood is the smooth rocks are more likely to be a nodule and not be like the center is not going to be of volcanic origin, and we're looking for volcanic rocks covered in the ferromanganese crust, and angular rocks are more likely to be that.
Nice.
Yeah. All
All
right.
right.
very cool.
Okay, closing.
Good stuff.
And
Box
Hayden,
is
that was
closed.
sample 160?
Yep, that is correct.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Wide.
Do you want the sampling information, Hayden?
Say one more time.
The information, volume, filter.
Give me a second here to finish up the rock sample, and then I will get that.
Yep.
Thank you, though.
I like getting Val big rocks. Yeah.
Do you want She'll be happy about that one.
Before we take off, or? Yep, I'm gonna throw it right down. I'm gonna back away from that rock, though.
Want to say hi to Jesse, Julie, and Casey. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching along and exploring with us. And I can see that we have viewers from all over the world who are joining in the exploration. So once again, thank you everybody for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments that you would like to have us try to get to, you can go ahead and submit those on nautiluslive.org. We do have a small chat box on the bottom of the live feed, and you can go ahead and submit those questions and comments. We had a question a few minutes ago about when something dies and lands on the sediment in the deep sea, how long does it take to decompose? And that is a wonderful question, and I think it really depends on, I think, mainly how large is that thing.
And its skeleton as well.
Yeah.
If it's a carbonate skeleton of silica, like the sponges, they can stay for a while, quite a while, even after they die. So it really depends on the composition and the depth as well. The deeper we go, the slower it is going to be.
So I do know that there was a whale fall that was seen several years ago off the coast around California, I believe, like near Monterey. And so that was a whale fall, so that whale passed away and it sank to the ocean floor. And they checked on it for several years after that, and there was still many organisms that were eating that whale. So it depends, but potentially years it can take years for something like that to decompose.
Whales we're talking about decades in general.
Decades.
Are you ready for the volume information?
Yes.
Okay, pump 9.
Okay.
199,558.
And can I get the time as well?
63 minutes, 52 seconds. I'm sorry, 58 seconds.
Perfect.
Just something you want
And
to
then
look
can I
at?
get pump 10 as well?
169,670.
Sure, we can have a quick look at that coral over here.
70. Okay, and then can I get the time?
63 minutes, 52 seconds.
63 minutes and how many seconds?
52. 52.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes, no worries.
Go ahead and zoom video.
Zooming.
That's a primnoid coral. Probably maybe it's like a narella, possibly with a brittle star. Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
Go wide video.
Going wide. Oops, sorry about the errors.
Looks like we're definitely starting to see some more coral. There's a lot on this.
We have an area.
Yeah.
It seems like a little. It's all the same, like primnoid, but little slightly higher densities. Is Annette gone? I was wondering maybe it could be a spot for a Niskin.
Yeah, she just left.
I would take a Niskin here.
Okay.
You want a Niskin here?
Yes, we have slightly higher density, so I think would be a decent spot for it.
What Niskin is available?
It should be...
All of them except for one.
Yep, all of them except for one. So probably 2 would work.
So right now what we're doing is we're collecting a sample that is going to have some eDNA in it. So eDNA stands for environmental DNA.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Boop.
Nice.
So by pulling that tab, that opened up one of the Niskin bottles, and seawater comes into that bottle, and like I said, it collects something called eDNA, and it is a non-invasive way to sample what kinds of animals are living around this area. So you might see some floaty white bits in the water column, and that is something that's called marine snow. And basically it is organic matter, so it could be anything from fish flakes, scales, fecal matter, anything like that. And so those remain in the water column, and when we make that collection, we are
And
able to get a DNA profile of the biology here.
that Niskin bottle was Niskin bottle 2, correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Danny, can we have a quick zoom on that here, please?
On that one over there.
The small one, yeah.
Go ahead, video.
Zooming.
Oh, it seems like it's another Narella. Yep, confirm. Thank you.
Go wide, video.
Going wide.
All right, we can keep going.
Kelsey's currently winning on the Halazor count.
What was that?
You're currently winning on the Halazor count.
Mia Ham strikes again.
We're at
Telling you, it's gonna
9.
be 13.
Let's start these samples.
What would we call this? Is this like a, it's not a landscape, like topography? What would,
We can say seascape.
seascape?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Well, it does seem very unique here. I don't think I've quite seen a seascape like this before.
Yeah, that's what we saw when we were mapping it. It's like the summit of that ridge is really like, interesting in terms of topography.
You don't really see much of ridges like this.
Well, not with this, like, because that's not flat, the top. It's like you have all these sort of like features that we saw that is pretty unusual. Here we have another of these sediment anemones.
Oh yeah.
But again, we're relatively shallow, and I'm still kind of surprised that there hasn't been that many animals yet.
What do you think the light penetration is for 900 meters? Do you think you're starting to get a little bit?
Not really. I mean, unless, yeah, I don't think at this depth there is much light penetration.
Okay.
Even though the waters are pretty clear around here, so it might penetrate deeper, but
Oh, is there another fish to the right?
there's some shrimp, and oh, we saw, but kind of a fish, right? Too fast though.
Too fast, yeah.
I missed it. I saw the shrimp though.
There was a shadow.
It was a split second.
All right.
You're starting to pull me around.
So yeah, revisiting that question about the light, that's super interesting. So we are able to get this really amazing video footage and the imagery because of the light that is produced on our ROVs. If we were to shut all of those lights off, especially at this depth of just under 1,000 meters, it would probably be pitch black.
You can see that in the Atalanta view pretty well, where we only have this small area that we're lighting up and all the rest is dark.
Yeah, so the video we're seeing on channel 1 is coming from ROV Hercules, and if you take a look on channel 2, that is the video feed from our other ROV, which is Atalanta. And so you can see that Hercules is surrounded by darkness, except for the little bit of light that is being produced in the front of the ROV. And hello, Jason. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you joining us.
Oofda. A lot of
Woofda?
samples. Oofda.
I
Oh,
have never heard that in my
Me
life.
neither.
Oofda?
Not enough samples is what you meant to say.
Yeah, it's true.
More samples.
More samples. But just a lot in a lot of time. So.
Woofda. Is that like a Midwest thing?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
Midwest slang. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So like, so yeah.
We'll talk about it more later,
So,
sure.
Yeah.
So in what situation do you say that?
Oofda?
Yes.
So like, let's say you get done, like for example, I just processed a whole bunch of samples, put them in, right? A lot of work. Oofda. Like you say it afterwards. So like, let's say you're working, right? And then you get done, and it's like kind of like a wipe the sweat off the forehead type of thing, like a oofda. Oh yeah.
Sounds kind of like German, or what would I say?
Probably. Like a lot of people from where I'm from in South Dakota are German.
Or
Like
Scandinavian.
Scandinavian, really?
I don't know. I don't speak
I'd
those
say
languages.
like more like Norwegian or like Polish. Maybe I could be wrong there. But that's like all of the Midwest is like that oofda type of thing.
Very cool. I'm learning so much on this watch. I'm learning Marshallese. I'm learning Midwest.
Well, I'd say that's more like northern Midwest.
Northern Midwest. Got
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So not so much like southern Midwest, like yeah,
Woofda.
oofda, like OOFDA.
Oh, not with the W.
Not with a W. Yeah.
Woofda. Okay.
Oofda.
Oofda. This is not something I expected to be talking about here.
I
But,
mean,
well, no. I'm very happy about it. Like, it's awesome.
things happen on the 4 to 8 shift that just nobody
Anything
expects.
can happen.
You guys want to hear the Marshallese version of it?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
please.
Warrar.
Ooh.
Warrar.
Ooh. Warrar.
There you go.
Oh.
I wish I could say that.
Warrar.
Warrar.
Oh, what about that rock?
That's a good rock.
That one?
Yeah, we'll just put it on the porch. It'll be fine.
Is it normal?
Is it normal for the porch to be in front of the vehicle?
Too soon.
Oh.
It's been a few days.
Yeah, we're over it now.
I love the porch.
We've moved past it. that was so intense.
Like that camping trip.
There's a sea star on this rock here. Oh no.
Oh, that's a good dad joke. I'm taking that with me.
That is
wow.
an adorable sea star.
Just hanging out.
Patrick's cousin.
Warrar.
Warrar. Love it.
That's a very long thing to say. Oofda is a quick.
Oofda.
Done.
We just go warrar.
You say, "Hui, kahana."
It could also be a phrase for frustration.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
that is such a pretty sea star.
It is.
What's this back here, though?
I know, I was looking at that too in the sand.
Yeah.
Yeah. It will be our next target. Can we zoom in on the sea star real
Zoom in
quick?
video.
Zooming?
Wow.
Look at that.
Nice.
That color. Wow.
I really want to see another one of those, I don't know if they're called ravioli stars, but they look like ravioli to me. Yeah, they're like a pentagon shape.
Wow.
And they're
I
really
dig
small.
this.
It's a cute one. All right, thank you.
Go wide video.
Going wide.
Yeah, there's like also something else in the sediment that we would like to have a look at on our left.
Just
Right
there.
here. Could be another one of these anemones.
Looks like there's another one right
Yeah.
up there, yeah?
Ooh, and a cucumber on the right. And that little crevasse.
Yeah. Ooh.
A crevasse.
It's the new word of the wild, crevasse.
Video.
Zooming.
Yeah, it's another one of these anemones.
Yeah, and you can see
And
the
the
part
tube.
of it that goes
Oh,
under.
cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is very apparent right there.
Go wide video.
Going wide.
All right, we can keep going.
Hayden is not alone in his oofda-ness. We're getting people in the chat saying, yep, I say that too.
Wow. I never heard that before.
I know.
There's a TikToker I follow that's Midwestern, and she says it quite often.
I think I'm more of an oop.
Oop. Yeah, yeah, I like the oop.
And oop.
We say oof in French. But it's more like a relief sound.
In my master's course, there was a guy from Colombia, and he always said oosh.
Yeah.
And there was a person from where?
Colombia.
Oh,
Oosh.
There's
maybe we
another
have to ask
coral,
Louisa
but we've
about
seen
that one.
these
I'm
before.
curious, yeah. Whoosh.
Crinoid.
Very nice Herc shot on the Atalanta cam.
That is correct.
Good piloting there, Mike.
Just gotta make Herc look good.
You're doing a great job.
Great job. Big fan, big fan.
Oh, we got
Mike,
something
put on
to
your
the
resume.
left.
Something on the left.
Yep,
Making Herc
top
look
left.
good.
Top left. Let's see it. Hopefully.
How's our?
What do you see?
Probably dipped out. It's
There
all
was
good.
a fish.
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Kelsey's still winning.
Mia Hamm has never done me wrong.
We still have an hour and a half. I just really want to win, that's all.
I know, I'm like, I really want to see more, but also,
But you also don't.
but also.
But also you're winning right now, so.
I don't know, I feel like we saw the same one twice, so I don't know. I feel like we're really at 8.
Hey.
Yeah, there was a freckle on that one that looked
Exactly.
I recognize that freckle.
I know, I know.
It had its name tag on. It was like,
It's name tag.
Have you seen those name tags that are like the Beanie Baby, like heart TY, but it's for your dog, so it makes your dog look like they're a Beanie Baby?
No, how
Oh
cute.
gosh, they're adorable. I really want to get one for Milo.
Where's this?
Mike's
They're
like,
like,
what?
so you know Beanie Babies, like how they had like the little heart TY. So they make dog tags like that, and then you can put, so it has like the little Beanie Baby logo, and then on the back is your information or whatever. So then it makes your dog look like a big Beanie Baby. It's pretty cute. You should maybe look into it.
My dog has a really awesome tag that is the skeleton of a fish on one side.
Well, that's pretty perfect for you, I guess. But, you know, if you wanted to up your game.
Are you familiar with this game?
Are you familiar with the dog tag game?
Mike is in it.
I know.
Nalu has like 4 different dog tags.
Wow.
Oh my
That
gosh.
dog is blinged out.
Yeah, whoa.
How many addresses have you changed?
How many rabies shots?
Ooh. Doesn't
Oofda.
Biter?
Oof.
Oofda.
There we go.
Whoosh.
It's not the rabies shots. We stopped putting our address down because we do move too frequently. But she has a lot of them for her collars. She has different collars.
Oh, cute. That makes sense.
That's
I had a dog
coral.
named Nala,
brittle star.
so I'm getting real
Yeah.
confused when you say Nalu.
Nalu. Yep.
Nalu.
Nalu.
We had a Nala bean.
Oh,
She
how
was
about
pretty
here? I think these are like
Oh.
maybe the mushroom corals.
I
Let's
like
see.
those. They're cute.
You can get a good angle on them. She consistently gets called Nala.
Yeah.
A lot of people are like, oh,
Like-
Nala. It's like, go ahead.
They're like half listening to you when you say her name.
Yeah, it's fine.
Nalufta.
Nalu. Go ahead, video.
Swimming.
Or Nugget.
Oh, that's cute.
You should take Bean home with you.
We called-
I do color little beans sometimes.
Oh.
Yep.
Nala was Nala bean.
Nalu bean.
Nala bean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She died a couple years ago. She's a good dog.
Interesting.
Okay, go wide video.
Going wide.
Are those anemones?
No, I think these are like that's what we call mushroom corals.
It's getting rough right now.
Yeah.
The current?
Just the waves. Yeah, getting
Oh.
thrown around up here.
Oh.
Wind speed's still kind of low, but maybe the swell's picking up. I think that was expected with the forecast.
We have someone who wants to know about Herc and Atalanta. Do we use 3D printing for those ROVs, and how often do we do it?
Ooh.
We do quite a few 3D prints actually. The rings we pull for the Niskins are 3D printed. The hose clamp and handle for the suction sampler is 3D printed. We've got lots of 3D printed parts.
Sometimes you can spot them more easily because they're like a bright purple or a bright blue, and they kind of, you can kind of look at them and be like, oh, that's the 3D printed material.
I truly had no idea.
Yeah, you can kind of spot it across the machine in different spots. You'll be like, oh.
And so if you look at the thruster gauge on Atalanta's smaller cam, that's a 3D printed bracket.
I'll have to take a closer look when we have Atalanta on the ship.
The little light sensor that's a cat shape was just pointed out to me recently on Herc,
Can we zoom in on
on the panel.
that one here, please?
It's got a little light sensor, and it's in the shape of a cat.
In the shape of a cat.
Am I about to show you something new?
The lights in the J boxes. Oh. They're kitty cat LEDs.
It's so perfect and amazing. It made me so happy. And now every time I'm doing an XBT, I look at it and I'm like, free my kitty.
Isabella, I want to do another XBT with you. That was fun.
Please, anytime. We do them typically 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. So just like Anybody WhatsApp me, let
Go
me
ahead,
know.
video.
Holla.
Swimming.
I love taking friends out for XPTs.
Yeah. I
What is
really.
an XPT?
An
Yeah, let's talk about
XPT
it.
is an extendable bathymegraph, and it essentially is like a little torpedo-shaped probe that we drop over the backside of the ship while it's moving and while we're mapping.
That is a different type.
And the probe is connected to like a very long copper spoolie, and it travels about 800 meters, and while it's traveling, it's collecting temperature. And so we then get like a temperature profile, and we apply salinity, and from there we're able to get sound speed. So then that sound speed, we apply it into our acquisition software that when we're mapping, so that we can kind of more or less calibrate the multi-beam for...
How do we feel about collecting that?
We could do it. Go back video.
Going wide. Well, I'll join you at your next XPT.
That's an octocoral, but I am not entirely sure which one that is not a primnoid. What do we have in the forward bio box?
We have a sponge in the lambda side, and we have, or in the left side, we have an octocoral in the right.
Okay. That looks like some kind of like acanthogorgia, but hard to tell. I think maybe we can throw that one on one of the rocks on the side bio box.
Video, can you zoom?
I can, yeah.
What are we putting it in?
Let's put it with one of the rocks in the larger compartments of the bio box, side bio box.
Starboard bio box.
Yeah,
Okay.
the starboard, maybe in the same compartment as that large rock that we just put in
The rock?
earlier.
Okay, so put it in F then.
Yep.
Let me know when you're ready.
I've been trying to be better about putting the over cam for the collections too.
Go ahead and open the box.
Appreciate you.
You said it was an octocoral, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Open.
Potentially acanthogorgia, but I'm not entirely sure.
Nice, Danny. How smooth.
Okay, closing.
Awesome.
Cool. Okay.
Thanks for that collection.
Yeah, no problem. That's what we're here for.
So, Fanny, what happens to these collections or these samples once we bring them back onto the ship?
So when they get back to the ship, we bring them to our wet lab here on the ship. So we have a small lab space. And then one of the main goals to use these samples is to better understand the diversity of organisms.
fish.
Sorry, I got interrupted by the fish.
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 The diversity of
Fish.
organisms that live in those environments. And it's hard to tell from the video what species are. So we actually need to collect them, look at them more closely, look at the physical specimen, and also use molecular methods to identify which species they are. So that is the main purpose of these collections.
Would you say that fish was a halosaur?
It was very
absolutely.
brief.
Very brief. Sorry.
But
Keep
let's
going.
say yes. Let's say yes. We're getting. Oh wait, I said 10.
Yeah.
All right.
That feels a
Would you
little.
look
No,
at
I'm
that?
getting nervous. I'm getting nervous.
Feels a little.
Bad motives over there.
All right. I'm taking your word for it. I'm going to put it up now.
We should
I
subtract
said
2.
I said 13, so.
We're playing
That feels
dirty
a little
back here.
biased
I
over
know.
there. I gotta be real honest.
No.
So I'm telling you right now, we're not gonna see any fish anymore. So
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Did you have a conversation
Does it
with
have
them or
something to do with the substrate? Is that it?
exactly.
Yeah.
I don't know
The
about this
chemistry of the
competition.
water is
Oh
not
yeah.
right.
It's not right. No way.
I don't know about all that.
It'd be pretty ironic to see one right now.
In 3, 2.
Look at that spawn.
Whoa.
Has a lot of friends.
Wow. Okay, that's not a fish, but that's still really cool.
Oh, wow.
Just a bunch of brittle stars and a crinoid
Wow.
hat.
Crinoid hat.
Very stylish sea creatures down here.
I know.
Wow.
Wow. It almost looks like it was like branching and then
And then
there's like a keyhole.
yeah.
Do you think
Interesting
this is
shape.
like
Go ahead
a
and
new
zoom video.
deep sea style?
Yeah, it like branched away and then came back to itself.
Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow, that is insane.
Nice.
That's
super.
gorgeous.
That's a great color.
Mm-hmm.
Super nice glass sponge.
No chicken pox.
No chicken pox, please. All right, thank you.
Go back to you.
Going line.
Okay.
Thin coral off to the right.
Yeah. These are the same that we saw earlier in that rock where we took the Niskin.
More of those weird.
Branchy looking things.
Yeah, these I think are pieces of sponge.
Big pieces of sponge?
Maybe it is just aggregate, you know, like end up in the, and that's a bunch of them.
What is that thing on the rock? The bottom, is that another shrimp? The bottom right?
Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's
Hayden,
just
can you-
down here. You can see it
What's
on
up?
the big screen.
Hey,
Oh,
can
yeah,
you tell me where
shrimp.
you took the Niskin? And it was Niskin 2? Bottle 2?
I'll have to put it in my pocket. Do you want half?
Oh, okay. Can you tell me the depth and
Yep.
the time? Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Yep.
All right. It's raining a little bit.
Just a tad.
Just enough to mist. All right. Go ahead and start moving if back row's ready.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Moving and grooving.
I feel like you never ask if video's ready.
You're just always ready though.
I mean, I am. But sometimes I feel a little left out of the "Are you ready?" conversation. Everyone else gets an "Are you ready?"
Are you ready to go?
I am. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are there scenarios where you're not ready to go?
Yes.
So we can
yes,
be aware
there
of
are.
them?
There definitely are. Yeah. And then we just go, and I'm not ready, and it's very stressful. Happens consistently.
Tell me how you really feel.
Would you like me to go on?
Yeah.
Like sometimes I'm checking stuff, and then the iris is bad, and then I get yelled at, and I wasn't ready to begin with.
Whoa, whoa, you get yelled at.
Not yelled at, but I get like a iris check. Like, I'm sorry.
No,
People yell at you?
there's no yelling on.
I've been yelled at before.
Jeez.
Not by anybody on the ships, though, no. I just get a
No,
stern
no,
iris
no.
check.
What?
Someone
just
is
telling
making
you.
fun of you, I think.
I'm just saying. I'm just opening up, you know.
I mean,
Sharing your feelings.
Communicating with your team.
It's important.
it
It's
is
very
important.
important.
You're heard. You're seen.
Yeah,
Thanks,
so
fellas.
you get yelled
I
at.
did it.
I don't
Is
get
that
yelled
like-
at.
Are you
That's not
set
true.
video?
We can talk about that.
Look, guys, I'm ready.
We're
Just a
here
little
for you.
sensitive. It's fine.
We're here for you. We're the 4 to 8
It's
squad.
fine. It's fine.
Squad
It's
up.
fine.
So, I just feel bad if the iris isn't ready, but like I'm not ready. I used to work a job where I got yelled at like quite a bit, though.
Yikes.
Really builds
Yeah,
character.
it's not fun.
It's not a good time.
It's really, it
not
sucks.
great. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really not good. I think I have a face for yelling at, you know?
Whoa.
Just like a little too nice
No.
of a face.
No.
I don't think anyone has a face for yelling at. That's wrong.
I don't know. I feel like if you have like a bit of a sweeter face, like people are like, ooh, this is a good one for yelling at.
That's crazy.
Let me get my yelling voice ready for that one.
Yeah. Ooh.
That is wild.
That's what a boss told me one time.
I'm sorry, your boss told. Okay, we'll talk about this later. We need to do a deep dive into that one.
Yeah, that's a little crazy.
Is this while you were in the field?
This was before I got into camera operating. This
Okay.
was like when I worked a customer service
I was
job.
going to say,
yeah,
it's
it
customer
was.
service.
Yeah.
It's always
Yeah.
customer service.
Yeah,
It
for sure. It was a
really
tourism job.
Your manager,
No, my manager was like, they were like, I'm sorry that you're getting yelled at, but I'm sure people just see your face and they're like, this is someone I can yell at. As like an explanation for that.
Okay.
Anyway.
I think I see like a sponge of some sort in the
Yeah,
top left.
I'm waiting for the Atalanta to
Waiting
catch
for
up.
Atalanta.
I'm trying.
Oh, I know. You're doing fantastic.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're doing some really big positive affirmations here. In this.
I think you're
You
doing
are
amazing.
awesome.
Everyone is doing their jobs very well.
Everyone.
Everyone on this shift.
Kelsey,
Big
are you
fan.
ready?
Guys, I'm prepared.
All right.
Prepped, ready, buckled.
Okay.
Hayden, is the next sample 163?
That is correct. Thank you.
Lovely.
What depth are we at now?
We're looking at 965 meters.
Okay.
I think this
Is that the
is,
shallowest we've been on any of our dives?
yeah, that's what I was
Sounds
going to
right.
say.
Yeah,
Wow.
super shallow.
I love that super shallow is like close to 1,000 meters.
Yeah, I mean,
Right.
relatively speaking.
That's how it feels when you're mapping. You go for like 5,000 meters consistently in the Pacific, 6,000, sometimes even 7, and then you're like, oh my gosh, we're at 2,000 meters, we're so shallow. And it's like, how much is that in feet? Whoa.
I know Fanny really wants to see this sponge.
Do I? Ooh, I guess I do.
I mean,
Sure, let's look at it.
Is that the sponge that looks the most yellowable?
Video, are you ready?
The most yellow.
I'm ready.
you're ready.
It was more when we take off, guys.
No, the rest of the expedition is
Can we start yelling
I'll
at
take
that
it.
sponge?
That's fine.
No yelling at sponges.
Sure, we can have a look at it while we wait.
Ready for zoom?
Video, do you want to go ahead and zoom?
Sure.
Goodness.
Look
As
at
long as
that
it doesn't have
sponge.
chicken pox.
No chicken
Oh,
pox.
no, I think it does.
I think I see a few chicken pox. I'm sorry. Just a couple.
That's weird. And it's only like on a specific part of it. Like the top of it looks fine. Do you see that?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
true. The top tip looks free of zoanthids, and then the bottom is
Weird.
definitely covered in them.
It's like it gets like cut off too. Like
Wow. A lot of them we've seen today
come wide.
had these.
Go on wide.
The chat is rallying for Kelsey right now.
Oh my gosh.
They are all about Kelsey, just so you know.
that's awesome.
That's very sweet. Are they asking if I'm ready or what?
No, they're just saying you're doing amazing. We love you. We're going to yell our love for Kelsey.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Rallying hard.
Oh, that's very
Ship's
sweet.
on the move.
It is. Bearing 360.
All right.
I don't know why it feels a little bit delayed, but
More palm trees.
Yeah, that rock is like the house of sponge.
The house
The
of
house of
sponge. I like that.
And they all have their crinoid hats.
Yeah,
I
it's
like
trendy.
that. Fan of that.
Trendy.
Sponge band.
It's the style over here.
Yeah.
The new fashion
The new
trend.
fashion trend.
That's awesome.
We should make crinoid hats.
We should. Oh my god.
I think that would look pretty
Look at it.
amazing.
I think so too.
We have a 10-hour transit. I think I know what we're doing.
Crinoid
There
hat.
you go.
That one sponge we saw earlier with the sea anemone hat needs to
Mhm.
Oh.
get with it. Or maybe it's like
What?
trying to
Or
set
maybe
its
it's starting
own,
a new
yeah.
trend.
Maybe it's trying to like
Yeah.
set its own
I thought it
trend.
looked awesome.
I think so too.
It's kind of my favorite look.
The sea anemone hat. I want to see one with a sea cucumber hat.
Whoa, I don't know if that's a thing.
I don't know.
Oh, we got another one over there.
How about a sponge with a sea cucumber stuck inside of it?
Whoa, yes.
I wonder if there's like, what the? I wonder if there's like sponge like posers like.
Deep sea core.
Deep sea core. That's awesome. I wonder if we're seeing a new or a later fashion trend. Like, is this like, you know what
Could
I'm
be
saying?
peak.
It could be peak.
TVL's freaking out.
Are you gonna reset it or?
No, because it's just going to put you all over the place. It's like pink and wild. It'll settle out in a moment. I suspect. I say that with confidence.
Gotta have faith.
Rooted in delusion.
Confidence rooted in delusion, the best kind.
All right. Ooh, does this guy have dual color crinoid hat?
Dual color
Yeah, yellow
crinoid
and
hat.
black.
Look at that.
Fashionista.
You don't think it's... Oh.
Now that's a model right there.
Oh, yeah.
I love this deep sea fashion show we're
Let's
having.
go ahead and zoom
I
in.
think that one is overdoing it a little bit.
Compensating for something.
Oh my gosh.
Eesh, look at
Oh wow, all these brittle stars.
That is a lot of brittle stars.
There's not much space left.
Covered.
Maybe that's what they've always wanted.
That's
Maybe.
crazy,
In that case, I'm
actually.
extremely happy for it. But yeah, that's a lot of
Is
stars.
there a squat lobster on the top?
Is this the new sponge trend of 2025?
There
that
is a
thing
squat
squat
lobster,
lobster? Yeah.
look, right here.
What a nice little
Wow.
accent.
There's a lot going on.
There is
There's
a lot going on
It's
here.
a
Yeah.
maximalist.
There's a second squat lobster, actually.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
It's too much.
Oh wow.
Fatty does not approve.
I'm sorry.
But hey, it has
Come
0
on.
chicken
Going
pox.
wide.
There you go.
That is true.
Not a single pop.
Do you want fully wide or just...
Yeah, go ahead. Come on,
Alright.
full wide.
Okie doke.
A maximalist. That one got me good. That was a really cool sponge. Like, truly.
It was.
Yeah. I would be so curious to know what these sponges would think of us if they were like judging our outfits.
Probably.
We're all in matching t-shirts.
I
Like,
know.
oh yeah,
so boring.
I'm the
Another
maximalist.
anemone
We're
back
all in the
down
same
there.
form.
Ooh,
Yeah, is that like another of these anemones that we've seen earlier?
Yeah.
the hardcore fashion.
We come up to it.
Brittany, these are the plants from Super Mario.
Oh yeah, these are the Super Mario ones.
Oh wait, the anemone is on a coral. It's
Uh-huh.
like, except that it's like
Video, go
almost
ahead and
larger
zoom.
than that coral.
That's crazy.
That looks uncomfortable.
Kind of reminds me of Kentucky Derby.
Okay, hold there.
Wow.
Is that a...
They
That's a
have-
primnoid coral, maybe probably one of these narella, and that anemone is on it. It's like almost larger than the coral.
Yeah.
And you can, I don't know if it's like damages from the anemone or something else, but you can see these branches here that don't have polyps on them.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Could be some damages too.
Interesting.
Wow.
You think that's from the anemone?
Could be. Wow, all right.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
There's a brittle star on that rock too.
Alright. Okay.
Dang, I definitely need that coffee IV right now.
Hang in there, Keone.
It's almost time for breakfast. I don't know
I'm
why I'm
waiting.
so hungry.
No, I agree completely. I think it's the coffee. I can feel it.
Yeah. You know, it's a little later right now. Maybe there is somebody down there listening who can get Keone some coffee.
Question mark,
Wow.
question mark.
Question mark.
If I
We
was
need
in the
a
lounge,
coffee
Anybody in the
service.
lounge? I
That
know.
would be service right there.
that's nuts.
It's all good, guys. You don't have to do it. I got 1 more hour left. I can make it.
Yeah.
You can
So
take a minute
early.
break.
Maybe here in a bit.
Yeah.
It's not that far to walk. It's maybe.
You won't miss the megalodon.
Oh, you might?
I might miss a megalodon.
You wait.
Yeah.
It's
That's
gonna,
what
it's
keeps
gonna,
me glued to my seat.
Oh, there it was.
The moment he steps out of the van.
As soon as the door closes.
Whoa, what was that?
I wish we had like a face cam for like in the lounge, so we could all be like the Joe Rogan, like
Isn't
shocked.
the camera on her face on?
Sometimes.
We have the science team on. Hayden just data corner, and we
Is that
have
another
Nav
shrimp?
and the pilots
Yeah,
in the
it's another
other
shrimp.
corner.
Hi.
You guys are almost always on. It's kind of the whole team minus video. It's perfection. It's pretty good. It is designed that way.
I think there's another of these anemones here again.
You want to take a look at it?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's interesting, these anemones are all kind of like the same color.
Yeah, I think it's the same type. Those Actinocyphia.
And this one is also on top of
So that one is on
sponge.
Yeah, that one is on top of a dead stalk, I guess. So, yeah. Anemone on a stick.
Yeah, go ahead and
New
zoom
kebab.
Zooming.
Wow, it looks so, what's the word? It looks vicious. I know it's not, but it just looks like so. Rah.
It really looks
I
like
mean, that was vicious to be on that coral. Thank you.
in. All right, go ahead and come wide.
a wide. It looks like an underwater Venus flytrap.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing.
I'm glad I could say the obvious.
Oh, is that a small sea star off to the left there?
There is on that rock, I think.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Would you like to take a look at that?
Yeah, let's have a look at it.
Okay.
I don't think we've seen that yet on that. Looks more like a brittle star than a sea star from
Yeah.
here.
It does.
Are brittle stars not sea stars?
They're different. So sea star are asteroidae, when brittle star are ophiuroidae. So it's like, I mean, they're relatives, I would say, but they are different.
There's definitely a bit of a current here.
Oh, it's moving.
Okay.
We have some viewers
ahead and
who
zoom in.
Zooming.
want to know about what are
Yeah,
coral
brittle
and
star.
sponges made of, and we'll talk
Yeah.
about that in just a second.
That's a brittle star.
That's
It's
a big
moving.
brittle.
On the move.
Wow, it's almost like a flower shape in the middle.
So pretty.
That's crazy.
All right, thank you.
Okay, go ahead and come wide.
Going wide.
So yeah, we have been seeing quite a few coral and sponges with
Okay, go ahead.
several associates that are hanging out on them, and we have somebody who wants to know how are they able to support all of that life. And they have a calcium carbonate skeleton.
Correct.
And skeletons also made of, some sponges are also made of silica, right?
Sponges are made out of silica, and
Yeah.
corals are calcium carbonate.
Right. Yeah, it is interesting. It seems like we have started to see a few less fish as we're getting higher
Yeah,
up.
it's almost like you called it.
I told you.
Suspicious.
It is, yeah. I mean, because we were expecting that the higher we got, or I should say the shallower in the water we got, the more fish we would probably see. But, you know, there's still time.
Fanny's probably just chancing them away.
Steve's got the tripod.
Throwing a few dollar bills in there.
Yeah, you're bribing those
Quick
fish.
bribe.
Hayden,
What's up?
so I'm going to turn off 11 and 12.
Speaking of fish,
There's a fish?
Hey!
What's the depth? Just like to
Oh, yeah.
No.
oh,
There it goes.
64,
I chanted him back.
964.
That's why you went out.
Okay.
I went
Alright,
out and spoke tongue.
11 is going off.
Well, Hayden's not paying attention, so that's good.
12 is
I heard that.
off.
There are a lot of people talking to Hayden right now. There's a lot going
Okay,
on.
I'm skipping 13 and I'm doing 14
current stuff. Push it a
and
little bit more up here.
15. Yes.
Oh, what's that on the right? Top screen right.
On Hayden's right or real right?
My right. Our real right.
the real right.
There was a
floaty.
something floating.
Yeah, he went
by.
away.
Yeah.
I don't know what it
floating
was.
by? Sorry, I thought you were talking about.
Oh,
Oh, it's all
actually,
good.
can we zoom in on this right here, please?
Oh, there's another fish right there.
There's
Yeah.
another fish.
Two fish.
2 fish.
Oh, we're catching up
One
on
fish, two
15.
fish,
Red fish, blue fish.
You and me, Kelsey. You and me.
We are.
We're like this.
Yes, yes.
So much happening
Everything
at once for
happens
Hayden.
all at the same time. It never fails.
Is that a megalodon?
Okay, come on now.
Yeah, I stepped out to speak a little tongue
Well, there we go.
to the fishies.
Yeah, I think that it's not a coincidence that you go out and come back in and suddenly we see all these fishes.
I said
I don't like that.
15.
15. Well, Keone does have the special connection with these waters anyway, right? So
I
Yep.
guess.
has the secret sauce.
All right, can we zoom in
Yeah.
on that coral, please?
Give me 1 second. Try and
More beans.
more beans.
More beans? Is
More
that
beans.
Okay, video, go ahead.
Zooming.
It's a pilot terminology.
okay?
I
No,
don't
I just
even
yeah.
know.
It's
It kind
fine.
of looks similar to the one that... Oh, there's a double coral here.
And there's another fish.
Where?
I guess now I'm no longer concerned.
No longer invested in this.
I do not care anymore.
Now that you lost.
I've lost interest.
Wow. Deep sea biologist doesn't care about seeing fish.
Yeah,
Not a
that
good look.
looks like, I'm not sure. It may look like kind of the one we saw, or the ones that we saw the other day. We can leave that
Yeah.
one for now. And there's maybe later if we see something similar. Okay, zooming out, there's something else I wanted to
come
have a
wide.
look at
Going
Yep.
on that rock, which is that small thing right here.
Okay.
I see.
Hayden, is our next sample 165? It's okay if you're not ready. I think you're muted, but I heard you.
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
Copy
sweet, sweet,
ours.
sweet. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, 11 and 12 are off. Start of 14 and 15. Yeah, lovely.
Okay.
think it's right.
Yep, one
Yep.
second.
It's very small.
Okay, video, go ahead and zoom in.
Zooming in. Oh,
So that's
sorry.
a tiny little coral. Huh. Not sure which one it is. Let's just leave it. It's very small.
Okay,
Going
let's go
wide.
ahead and come wide.
We've seen a few brittle stars and sea stars on our journey so far, and we have someone wondering if they react to light. I don't know if brittle
No.
stars have light
They
receptors.
do not have, I guess, eyes or equivalent visual organs. At least, yeah, not that I'm aware of.
Right.
Hayden, did you want to get
Ooh.
the volumes?
Is that a shrimp or?
Looks like a shrimp.
Oh, okay.
Shrimp.
Shrimps.
Sure.
That's a shrimp,
Yeah, it's a shrimp.
194-335.
Is there another
61 minutes, 10 seconds.
cup coral? Over here?
Neat.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. Cap coral, that is correct.
168815.
Do you want to take a look at it or you're good?
No, I'm good.
168815.
And keep going. There's a lot of these very small corals around here.
Yeah, there are.
Correct.
Another shrimp up ahead.
61 minutes and 4 seconds. Thank you.
So I do believe that there are some species of sea stars that have very, very simple light receptors at the end of their arms. I don't know if brittle stars have those, and especially the deep sea brittle stars and sea stars, I really don't know. But if there are any animals down here that do have the ability to see light, this is pretty much the first time that they're ever seeing anything
Can we have
like
a quick
that.
look at this? I
Yeah,
don't know if this is
absolutely.
anything.
Got a sea cucumber
There
near
is
it too.
a sea cucumber.
Yes.
And this may
the
be
top
some
right.
optical illusion. Yeah.
You just never know down here.
I feel like this has been a very mystical watch. Like we've been seeing things that are questionable.
Not real.
Very
Yeah.
questionable.
Yeah,
I feel like the color palette
We're
is
going on
really
a journey.
beautiful.
Yeah,
That
okay,
one?
keep going, thanks.
That one sea
Keep going.
star that was like
Okay.
kind of champagne white.
What
Oh,
about
yeah.
your sea
Yeah, that
cucumber
was
over here?
nice.